Good evening guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss MotoGP champion Francisco Bagnaia was caught up in a horror crash on the opening of the lap of the Catalogna Grand Prix on Sunday. The rider fell off his Ducati bike before his lower leg was run over by another rider. This is sad and heartbreaking. The 26-year-old Italian has been defending his 2022 MotoGP championship after he saw of the threat of Fabio Quarantino to claim his maiden title in the series. Bagnaia was starting from pole position of the Catalan GP after dropping the time sheets in qualifying ahead of the Australia trip of Alex and in the end qualifying ahead of the Australia trio of Alex Speriamo, Miguel Oliveira, Maverick Vinales, but his time in the lead didn't last long. After a quick run into the opening corner of the lap, Bagnaia lost control of his Ducati bike and was sent tumbling into the path of the ongoing brand binder, who was unable to avoid Pecco running over his lower leg as the field west by. This is the end of review. Soon we'll come back with more tale. Subscribe my channel, like this video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.